Good. Keep that knee bent. Good. All the way up. 1, 2, 3. That's it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, 9. One more. 10, and then both feet down, and then glute bridges. Let's go. So let's go. Pump it out. 1. That's it. 2. A little bit higher. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Well done. Good job. Okay, so I like to do all these things before the big moves, because what they do is they pre-exhaust the glutes. So then when you go onto the squats or the deadlifts afterwards, then you're really asking a lot more of your glutes, which equals